Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can generate AI music using Google AI, right? So there are different methods you can use. I'm going to be showing you two of the methods or probably three. So if you're actually passionate about leveraging your digital skills to make money online, master design arts, and supercharge your tech know-how, you've come to the right place. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting tech adventures. Join our tech-savvy community and let's embark on this incredible journey together. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the first platform I'm going to be showing you is called Google Vids. This is Google Vids right now. So if you want to get access to it, you go to, you open a new tab, you just search for Vids, or you say Google Vids. Yeah, as you can see right there. So the first link, or maybe the second one, anyone you open is going to work out, this particular one or this one. So you can just click on it. Then you can either click try Vids for work or sign into Vids. So I will just log in with my Gmail right here. So you can see now we have a new Google Vids created. This is a new Google Vids page, right? So you actually need to wait for it to load. After then, you can either click on this layer 3. If you don't have layer 3 on your own, probably your Google is not pro activated. So if you actually want the pro activated, the 12 months pro activation, you can check the link in the description, use the website to get access. You can get access to it. Use the link in the description to get access, whereby we are going to help you activate 12 months pro plan on your Gmail, right? So if you already have this, that means you already have the pro, right? Google AI Pro on your Gmail. So just click on the layer 3, or you can just click on the plus. So you can see that my own has different things, right? It has video, it has avatar, voiceover, music, image with this nano banana sign, and so on and so forth. So if you want to create your music, you can see it has layer 3 selected automatically, and this is where you input your prompt, a detailed prompt. So you can either create a 30 seconds audio or a 30 seconds AI music or a full song, right? A full song that would be around 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, right? So it depends on the prompt that you actually give it. So you can either select one of these two options. So I'm going to be going for the full song. This 30 seconds audio, it can be probably you're creating a project or creating a video on Google Vids. You can just generate a background music, a 30 seconds background music for it, right? So using a particular prompt. So let me go with the full song. I have few prompts right here for Nigeria or African musics. So you can see this one, Nigeria gospel praise, just like a gospel music, create an uplifting Nigeria gospel praise. So let us try out these prompts. I'm going to tell it to regenerate a detailed or a more detailed prompt for this. So let me just put a more detailed prompt. So it can actually give me a longer detailed prompt that the AI can use to get more distinct. So you can see it's even giving it verses, verse 1, verse 2 or so. So I might not copy everything. Let me just copy out of it. Good. I want it to just do its thing to create the verse and everything. You understand? So let me click on generate. So you need to wait for few seconds or minutes for the video to completely generate. So before we come back to this, let me show you another method you can use. You can also go on Gemini, open a new tab. You can click on this Google apps right here, then go to Gemini, or you just search for Google Gemini on Google. You can just search for it, anyone you like. So there is also create music. You can see right here. So instead of you selecting it from here, you can just come to tools. You can see it right here, create music, right? So I can also input the same prompt, but I'm not going to be using the same prompt. Let me go and get another style like this one. I'm not going to create a detailed prompt for this one. So let me just give it the simple prompts. Then make sure the pro is also selected, right? You make sure the pro is selected, and don't forget, this will work for those that already have pro on their Gmail. And if you don't, check the link in description to see how we can help you activate it. So let me click on submit. Now let's go back to what we've generated. Okay, this is Google Vids. We are back on Google Vids right now. So you can see it was able to generate a 3 minutes video. Sorry, a 3 minutes music for us. So let me play that.
See what the Lord has done today. The Lord has done today. He turned my mourning into praise. He turned it into praise. Every mountain moved out of my way. Moved them out my way. Now I've got nothing but His grace. I've got nothing but His grace. My testimony is clear to see. It's clear to see. The breakthrough has come for me. Has come for me. Oh, you dance to celebrate. Give Him praise to celebrate. He has won to celebrate. It is done. Dance for joy. Dance for joy.
You can see how crazy that is. That is so real. So real, right? So that is what AI music can actually get for you right now. And that is really wonderful. So this is another one right here. So this one is the one generated on Google Gemini. So let us play it. And another thing is that you can see this one is able to generate a music image right here. You can see it's able to generate a music image for us automatically that we can just download at once. That is really crazy.
Sunday night, the air is thick with the scent of possibility. From the mainland traffic to the island clarity. We don't just walk, we move with a certain gravity. Liquid currency and a soft life strategy. Look a gold on the water, no be mirage. Linking up with the winners, no be garbage. We came for the cruise and we staying for the vision. In this Lagos moonlight, we making decisions. We cruising, we flexing, we enjoying the life. Cutting through the shadows like a silver knife. Soft life for my people, no time for the strife. Good vibes only, we making it link up, moving. Let the rhythm take charge. Every moment we live.
That is really wonderful. So that is what Google Gemini can actually create for you. So if you want to download it, you just click on this download track right here. So let me show you another thing that you can actually do with this. Let me click on inserts. Right, don't forget Google Vids is just like an editor. It is very good actually. It is just like an editor, so you can also put your music banner on it right here. So let me show you how you can generate a music banner. So let me go back to my ChatGPT and I will just tell this. Don't forget, you can also do this on Gemini. This prompt, you can create it on Gemini as well. So if you don't have ChatGPT, so let me just tell it that create a music banner prompt for the above, that is for the music above. So yeah, so it's going to help us create an image prompts, banner prompts. I asked it for prompts, not to generate image. I don't know why it's actually generating image. Okay, cool, it is actually not generating image. So let me copy the prompts like this. Let me just copy the prompts. Let me go back to my Google Vids. I'll be using Google Vids to generate the image as well. So Google Vids has inbuilt nano banana. I'm going to change the aspect ratio to landscape because it's going to be wide, and if you want to make it square or portraits, because you can switch your distance from here to either square or portrait. So let me just use square. I think music banner is mostly in square size. So I will just paste the prompts, then click generate. You need to wait for a few seconds to generate this, and there are still other ways you can actually generate AI music on when you have Google Gemini, right? One of the ways. Okay, wait. I think I this is supposed to be square, not white. So let me put it on square again. Probably I was the one that made mistake initially. So there are still other ways you can generate AI music. When you go to Google Labs, you can also explore their AI music options, right? So these are just one of the two ways that you can use. I don't know why it's generating um, a 16 by 9 image, but let me just change it to 16 by 9, right? Probably this might be a bug from Google themselves. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image, then insert. If I'm okay with it, I will right click so that it's going to fill up the page. I can just say set image as background. So I'm going to also increase the length. I will need to increase the length because it has to be the full audio, which is I think around 3 minutes or so. Let me increase it up to the end of the audio. You can see that's the end of the audio, so I need to reduce the image to that aspect as well. Good. Yeah, so let me play it. I use this as a banner, you can see, and the music is going to play in the background.
See what the Lord has done today. The Lord has done today. He turned my mourning into praise. He turned it.
And that's it. If you want to download, you can rename it right here. Let me just give it a dummy name. AI Music 1, for example. Then you can come to File. Then you click on Download MP4 video. So you need to download it as MP4 because it's going to be as a video. And another thing you can do is you can even generate music video, like a visual for it, in a moving visual. So you can either use animate an image or create from scratch. Then tell ChatGPT to help you create scenes after scenes to make sure the video is actually matched with the audio in background. So you can actually do that from here and you generate your video is going to be scene by scene. You generate it scene by scene and you combine them together to form a single music video, and that is it. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, if you want to get the pro of this Google as well, wants your email to be activated, right, you can actually check the link in the description. So thank you guys. Bye.